Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Picture Manager by opening the image and immediately choosing Edit Picture. This gives you the core tools. Crop tightly to remove unwanted edges and adjust brightness and contrast so edges read clearly. That helps later if you transfer to another app. Once done, decide if you only need a different background color or full removal. Make sure to save a copy. If full removal is required, use Edit with to export into Paint 3D or PowerPoint for advanced background work. You can change a background color by exporting a clean copy from Picture Manager and opening it in Paint 3D or PowerPoint. Those apps give a fill or replace option. In Paint 3D, use Canvas and fill to pick a new color, and in PowerPoint, place the image on a shape with your chosen fill behind it. Make sure to match the new color using the eyedropper or exact RGB values so edges blend. Save the result as PNG to preserve quality and any transparency. When you need true removal, you should use PowerPoint Remove Background or Paint 3D Magic Select after exporting from Picture Manager. These tools detect the subject and let you refine edges. Once you're satisfied, export as PNG to keep transparency or as JPG if you filled a new background. Make sure to check edges at 100% and apply slight feathering if edges look harsh. If automatic tools fail, manually trace the subject. Retry selections with different tolerance settings as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.